Data science, data analytics, machine learning, data science using Python, machine learning using R. These are some of the words that are thrown around. For someone who is absolutely new to this space, this all looks very confusing. There are plenty of videos, articles, and job descriptions out there, but a common problem that everyone faces is where to start. That is why I'm here to help. I'm happy that you have enrolled in this course. I will be the instructor of this course, so please allow me to introduce myself to you. My name is Rakesh. In my day job, I am a coder and an analytics manager, and in my spare time, I like to solve puzzles, hiking, playing Xbox, photography, and above all, learning and teaching databases. I have my own website where I frequently upload articles and blogs. I would encourage you to visit the website if you are interested in reading more and sign up for my newsletter as well. I designed this course as a part of the Business Intelligence Suite. So if you're a data analyst or looking for a career switch in the field of data analytics, this course is for you. In my BI suite of courses, I have covered topics catering to different audiences. The courses are aimed in order for you to learn the topics so that you may apply them in various job titles like a data analyst, reporting analyst, business analyst, SQL developer, BI developer, ETL developer, data scientist, etc. To get a comprehensive overview of all these courses and job titles and what is generally expected of interviews, please refer the article I have written, for which I have provided a link in the readings section as well. So essentially, a typical BI stack consists of the following. It has databases and querying concepts. It has transferring and manipulating data from different sources. It has tools for visualizing the data. And then finally, what we'll be covering in this course particularly is predicting and pattern analyzing the data. So for all the above four, I have recorded videos. So depending upon what role you're applying for in order to make a career on, I would suggest to take up that respective course first or all the courses in the BI suite. Next, I designed this course keeping in mind some of the feedback I have received previously. If you have taken any of my previous courses, you might have seen that I don't really assume that students have any prior knowledge to the technology. I keep slides to a minimum and explain all the steps by showing them how to do them. I will be maintaining the same in this course as well. In fact, I will try to avoid using any slides. Instead, I will upload this PDF with the course itself. Now, having said that, since data science is such a vast topic and even I am personally learning it on day-to-day basis, learning new things, I would strongly recommend you to please read the articles and other additional reading materials that I will be providing in the additional sections. This is just because this area is so vast that I won't be able to cover each and every concept, but what I'll do is at least I will cover all the important concepts that can help you get started. Finally, I would like to say that at the time of recording this course, more than 150,000 people have already enrolled and taken my previous courses. So thank you so much for all the encouragement, questions, feedback, and suggestions. All right, so let's agree on some ground rules. Since some of the concepts may not be new for you, please feel free to skip to the next lesson if you feel so. If you feel that a concept is going a little fast for you, I would encourage you to rewind and watch this lecture again. Remember, no question is a dumb question. Feel free to ask questions in the forums. We are here to help. Finally, many people have asked me to add some reading resources. I will upload this document as a PDF and also add some useful resources as additional reference. Hope you like the course. So, see you in the next lecture.